Hello and welcome. Take a look at this circuit. You can see an LED being lit up from the power of an Arduino. This thing in my hand that I'm holding, this white thing, is called a breadboard. I want to explain more about what a breadboard is to you today. So a breadboard looks like this. And what a breadboard is it's simply a tool for prototyping circuits. There's metal inside the breadboard so that you can connect wires, pushing them in and then forming a circuit. Now, on the outside of the breadboard, you'll see this, and you'll also see it on this side too. Now, this is for adding power, right? You can see the positive and negative terminals go here. And the power runs down. It runs downwards all the way through. All the way down. Now in the middle you'll see these two rows. Now these two rows are a little different. The power runs across, right? Across. So these ones on the outside run down, the power runs down. And these ones in the middle, the power runs across. It doesn't run down. Each line goes across. So you see power goes there, but it doesn't run down. So let me give you a better idea of what I mean. So you see this wire, it has a piece of metal, right? A metal pin. And we insert it into these holes, right? So if I insert it into here, we can see it fits. It fits and it just dangles there, right? It just dangles. Now, what I do is, I can take that here and I can put it in the board by there. You see? And now everything on that line that I put that wire into will have current going through it. So I can then do something like this, right? I can grab another wire. I can place it there. So they're in the same line. And let me put it in the other way so it's easier to see. So they're in the same line, right? So what'll happen is if I plug in a positive terminal there, if I plug in power there, it'll go down this line, it'll go through this white wire, all the way to here, and then through the red wire to wherever the red wire is connected to. So yeah, I hope that demonstrates what I'm trying to say when the power runs down here, but only across here. If I move this red wire and I place it here, the power won't run. The power won't run because everything in the middle doesn't run down. It only runs across. But if I get my white wire again and I place it on the same line as the red wire, again the power will work because the power runs all the way down here, through the white wire to here, and then across and through here. So that's what breadboards are. They allow you to prototype electronics. You can get these special wires and you can essentially just plug them into the circuit. And it's really as simple as that. They're a fantastic tool. You don't have to worry if you don't have one of these because we will be doing all of our work in a simulator. However, the simulator is exactly the same as in real life. Anything you learn in the simulator you can apply on a real breadboard. We will be using a virtual breadboard which looks just like this, apart from it's all simulated.